Hey everyone, it's Zed, and here's a massive tutorial on how to send and receive large files to and from your Amazon S3 bucket without touching a single line of code. That's right, I'll show you how to 1. Receive large files to AWS S3, like from a teammate or freelancer, and 2. How to send large files from your AWS S3 bucket to an external source. This is all possible thanks to the massive integration with Amazon S3. Check the link in the description to get started with massive file transfer. Now, on to the demo. From the massive browser homepage, head on over to Cloud Integrations. From here, select AWS S3 Integration, which will open up a window to fill out more information. This is where you name your connection and enter in your S3 bucket credentials like bucket name, access key ID, and secret access key. Then, hit Enable Send from Cloud. This is required if you want to send large files from your AWS S3 bucket. Once this is done, you need to enter in the specific source directories of your chosen bucket destination. Press Enter to separate each folder. Hit Connect and you're done. With this cloud integration in place, the S3 bucket is now available to send files via Massive. To send files, simply go to the Home Upload page and switch the tab to Send Cloud Files. Hit Add Cloud Files, which will display the integration we just set up. Select the files you want and send it via an email or shareable link. Massive supports uploads and downloads of up to 15 terabytes per file, which is well beyond the 160 gigabyte upload limit for any S3 console. Next, in order to upload large files to AWS S3 from other people, you need to create a massive portal with S3 as the destination. There's a video in the top right corner of your screen that explains everything you need to know about portals. Take a look if you need more information. I already have a portal created and ready to go. From here, head on over to Cloud Integrations and select S3. Once again, fill in your S3 bucket information and hit Connect. And that's it, you're done. Now any file uploaded to this portal will automatically appear in my S3 bucket. Again, check out our portals videos to see the feature in action. If you need to store large amounts of data, Amazon S3 is one of the best solutions available today. With the Massive and S3 integration, you can easily share large files to and from S3 without development support. It'll save you a bunch of time and effort. Check the link in the description to sign up for Massive and get started. We'll even throw in 100 gigabytes for you to test things out. Again, my name is Zed, and I'll see you next time. Waiting for the teleprompter to scroll.